Uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA Jong Kakanyo North Shillong Assembly Constituency Maradep Wanra Umentri Rangba Kajilla Ukonrat Ke Sangma Yakajipan Pisashu na yin dorbar hakani dorbar sunrai nakabataos na mangtingka Jong ka ajar persan ba ajar punrio ulayang magkran hapo kayin dorbar ban panjik pensyai na Lamphang kayin dorbar yakajipan kerja aja kasyong yu nakajaka kabausong menshua hapo kayin dorbar baula ongru baula sya pensange nakaseng VPP haka arpusau tri uluber hajar arpusan.
Hello, sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair? Like, why myself being as an MLA from VPP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at the point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert, 17 North Shillong Constituency MLA. But they had referred me at the point of time as Adelbert Norum, Mr. Adelbert Norum, Shillong. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the House. Thank you, please.